Hey y'all, so in my bathroom really quick, I'm about to take, sadly, I'm about to take my braids down. I know you guys always ask me how long I keep styles in, and honestly, if there's any video, there's anything that I say on my channel, please remember this. It's not gonna be the same as you. I'm gonna always keep my styles in a whole lot less than like how long they will really last, because my channel is a style channel. My channel is hair and all that kind of stuff. And if I kept these braids in like for another 3 weeks, 4 weeks or something like that, or longer, because I can definitely take some out, redo the perimeter, and keep going and bun it and go about my day, which is something that you can do. I just have to, yeah, I just have to keep coming with new styles for you guys. So it's very almost impossible, hard for me to keep a style in very long. So yes, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna take them out. So I'm just gonna start with one braid. I'm just going to, so my hair I know is about like here maybe, right? So I'm just gonna go even further down because I've chopped off my hair plenty of times. So I'm just gonna cut here. Excess braid, throw it away. And then unbraid it. And I haven't done these in a while. The last time I did this like technique was like this time February 2019. So it's been almost a whole year, I think. I could be wrong, y'all. I could be wrong. So I'm just going to unbraid, and once you unbraid, I can just kind of feel like there's my hair, right? And I can just kind of see what wants to come out, but I know I have some other pieces in here too. So you can go ahead and it'll move, but I don't want to do that because then I just feel like I'm just risking my hair being even more tangled. So for this one, I think I'm just gonna undo the braid, which is what I'm doing now. This is my hair, and I'm just gonna undo the braid. And as you undo your braid, like I'm still undoing mine, even though it seems like a lot going on, you can feel your hair. You know where your hair is. You just want to be gentle not to really get your hair mixed up with the braiding hair. And then it's just gonna fall out like that. And there you go. That's how I'm gonna undo them. Just unbraid it all. It's gonna be the easiest thing for you to do. Like I said, if you can maybe on some braids, probably in these bigger braids back here, ones that are looser, you can unbraid and then just pull the hair out and then finish unbraiding your actual hair. But I prefer to just unbraid all of it so that it all just slides out very easily, and I don't have to worry about any kind of damage, tangles, and all that good stuff. So I hope this was helpful. Let me do another one for you guys really quickly. I hope you guys are able to see this, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.